I can hear now. I don't have the time. I don't have the tools. I don't have a big workshop. You don't need any of that to build this. So you'll be able to build this tray in a couple of hours from one board. Simple tools. And none of your friends are going to believe you when you say you made it. Let's get into it. This is about as simple as it gets. One piece of wood, a jigsaw, a drill, an orbital sander, maybe a router, and some finish. No complicated joinery, no specialty tools, just a few basics, and a little time in the shop. First thing, lay out your circle. Look at the board. Find the spot you want the circle to be. I'm going to be about 9 to 10 inches in mine, but it can be any size you want. Take a second, find that prettiest grain, that prettiest section, because this is what you're going to see in your board. This is where it starts to take shape. Just a jigsaw, nothing fancy. Slow, steady, follow your line, and let the blade do the work. It's not about speed here. Taking your time keeps the edge cleaner, makes it square, and saves you work later. This is usually where people think they need better tools. You really don't. You just have to figure out how to use the ones you got. Next, let's add a handle, about an inch from the edge, somewhere that feels natural in your hand. Drill your hole. I used an inch and a half. Clean it up, and this is where it starts to feel like a finished piece and not just a cut board. This is the step that separates a project from something that actually feels finished. I'll go 80, 120, 180, raise the grain with a water pop, and then finish at 220. Take your time here, especially on the edges, because this is what people notice when they pick it up. You can break these edges with just sandpaper, and it works just fine. But if you have a router, a quick round over gives it that clean, finished look. Either way, this small detail makes a huge difference in the finish. Now the part that brings it to life. A simple food-safe oil and wax finish makes that grain pop. Wipe it on, let it soak in, and then wipe it back dry. And this is where the wood really shows up. And just like that, simple tray, done in a couple of hours, good for food, coffee, or something you'd like to give as a gift. And you can do this with whatever wood you have on hand. Each one ends up a little different. If you've been putting it off, there's no better time than right now to get started. I'd appreciate a subscribe, because I've got more builds like this coming to the shop. Until next week, get in the shop and be a maker.